Hello everyone and welcome to the Mathematicians channel. In this video we're going to have an overview over the Euclidean algorithm. In arithmetic, the Euclidean algorithm is a sequence of arithmetic operations at the end of which we get to know the greatest common divisor between two natural numbers. Precisely, those arithmetic operations are Euclidean divisions, so before we talk about the algorithm process, we need to know what's in Euclidean division. Let's consider two natural numbers, a and b, different from 0, such as, a is greater or equal to b. We call Euclidean division of a over b, the scripture, a, equal b times q plus r, such that, q and r are natural numbers and r is strictly lower than b. In this case, a, is called the dividend of this division. b, is called the divisor of this division. q, is called the quotient of this division. And, r, is called the rest of this division. But be careful, in order for this division to be considered Euclidean, r must be strictly lower than the divisor b. Now, let's see the algorithm process. Considering two natural numbers different from 0, a and b. In order to calculate the greatest common divisor between those two numbers according to the Euclidean algorithm, we start by doing the Euclidean division of a over b, and note, r, the rest of this Euclidean division. From this point, we consider two cases. If r is equal to 0, we conclude that the greatest common divisor between a and b is b. If r is different from 0, we do the Euclidean division of b over r and note, r1, the rest of this new Euclidean division. From this last Euclidean division we consider two cases. If r1 is equal to 0, we conclude that the greatest common divisor between a and b is r. If r1 is different from 0, we do the Euclidean division of r over r1 and note, r2, the rest of this new Euclidean division. We keep repeating the division of the divisor of the last Euclidean division, over the rest of this same Euclidean division, until we reach an Euclidean division with rest 0. Since the rests of these successive Euclidean divisions are a decreasing sequence of natural numbers, we certainly are going to obtain a rest 0. And the last rest different from 0 we obtained is the greatest common divisor between a and b. Let's now check out an example. Let's put a equal to 187, and b equal to 165. In order to calculate the greatest common divisor between those two numbers according to the Euclidean algorithm, we start by doing the Euclidean division of 187 by 165. We see that the rest of this Euclidean division is 22. And since 22 is different from 0, we do the Euclidean division of 165 over 22. We can see that the rest of this Euclidean division is 11. And once again, since 11 is different from 0, we do the Euclidean division of 22 over 11. We finally notice that the rest of this last Euclidean division is equal to 0. In this case, the last rest different from 0 we obtained is 11. So we deduce that the greatest common divisor between 187 and 165 is 11. Thanks for watching the video. We hope this was useful understanding the Euclidean algorithm, and if it is the case, we invite you to like the video and subscribe to the channel and activate the notification button so you'll be notified of any future publications.